Now I want to show the concept of this entry form, where essentially I'm able to open a form. I can say, okay, I want to add my first name, last name, the investment type could be stock, a verse, and then I add client. Okay, and now this is something that we send as a post request because there could be quite a few parameters. In terms of configuration, it looks something like this. So as you can see here is the post, not a get. And then basically we have a dictionary as the parameters, and here's the actually what is submitted, the form submit. But then this is the entry form widget. So what you can see here is that the type is a table, but then on the parameters, we have this type which is form, okay? And this is the endpoint form submit, which is this one above, which basically validates type profiles selected. But here is where you specify what are the input parameters within that form. And so this was done initially by a client. They needed this, they have this specific like use case, and it should give you some write capabilities instead of just being about reading things from the workspace. Of course, you can also do this with the HTML with the JavaScript execution as an enterprise client. But if you want to maintain the OpenBB like widgets capabilities, like styling and things like that without writing your own HTML widget, then this is a way that you can do to achieve that.